Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, I hope you and your family are doing great at home. Today we are going to learn about feelings, talking about feelings just like last week. Hey, what do you know about feelings? What do you know about feelings? Well, I have 4 examples to help you understand more about feelings. The example number 1 is Freya got a good score on her exam. Freya got a good score on her exam. What about you? What will you feel if you got a good score? You feel? Yes, happy. Let's spell it together. H-A-P-P-Y. Good job, happy. Example number 2. Jibril lost his best friend. That's very what? Is that very happy or that's very sad? Yes, that's very sad. Jibril lost his best friend. Oh, that's very sad. So the answer is sad. Spell S-A-D. Sad. Good job. The example number 3 is Gibran forgot to bring his lunchbox this afternoon. Ooh. Gibran forgot to bring his lunchbox this afternoon. Yes? He is hungry. Good. Let's spell it together. H-U-N-G-R-Y. Hungry because he forgot to bring his lunchbox and he didn't eat anything. That's too bad. The example number 4. Valerie stand in the middle of the snow. Ooh, he's freezing, she's freezing. Valerie stand in the middle of the snow. Yes? Is it happy or hungry or thirsty or maybe cold? She feels cold outside. Yes, Valerie feels cold. Let's spell it together. C-O-L-D. Good job. So, feeling is emotion or the reaction from the condition that's happening around you. That's what we call with feelings. How many feelings we already learned in the last meeting? How many? Yes, 6. This one is happy because she has a really big smile on her face. And this one is sad. This one is cold. She's freezing. And number 4 is he's sweating a lot because there's a sun not really far from him. Oh my god, that's scary. He's sweating a lot. It means he feels hot. Good. This one, she's thinking about water. It means, yes, she is thirsty. What about this one? This is very, very delicious. What is this? Yeah, you're right. It's food. He's thinking about food. It means he feels hungry. Number 1 is happy. Number 2 is sad. Number 3, cold. This one is hot. Number 5, thirsty. And the last is hungry. But today, let's add more feelings. I will put 4 feelings for this section. This one, there's a boy laying on his bed. What is this? Yeah, he is sick. Repeat after me. Sick. S-I-C-K. Sick. Number 2. Oh, what is this? Did you already read your book? Your English book? If you already read your book, if I'm not mistaken, it's page, what is it? 6 and 7, if I'm not mistaken. The correct answer is she is not sleepy. But after she's doing lots of activity from morning until night, she feels tired. Yes, so this one is tired. After you feel tired and then you feel sleepy after that. Tired. Tired. Good job. Number 3 is, what is this? Just sometime I saw one of you doing like this in the class. What is it? Yes, bored. B-O-R-E-D. Sometimes I feel bored if I have to wait for someone. If I have to wait for my turn, I feel bored. And this boy, maybe he's waiting for break time. I'm bored already. But don't do that, okay? You will have your break time as usual. Number 4 is, ooh, she has a smile on her face, but she's doing like this. Hoo, hoo, hoo. Maybe she's dancing and she's moving a lot and she feels, wow, what is that? Do you know what is it? Yes, this one is excited. Spell it together. E-X-C-I-T-E-D. Excited. Okay, let's repeat together. Number 1 is sick. Number 2 is tired. Number 3 is bored. And number 4 is excited. How many? 4. Good. Oh, this one. There's a boy again and laying on his bed. There's a lot of tissue on the table. What is it? Yes, he is sick. Or we can do it like this. He's sick. He is sick or he's sick. Repeat after me. He is sick or he's sick. It's same, okay? But with this one, you will get a shorter words because you delete the one alphabet, and then you change that with this sign. Okay? He is sick and he's sick. Number 2. Again. Is he sleepy? Yeah, but he feels sleepy because he's doing lots of activity from the morning until night. He is tired. One more time. He's tired. He is tired or he's tired. Repeat after me. He is tired or he's tired. Number 3. She's waiting and she's asking, are we there yet? Are we there yet? Then she feels Bored. She is bored because she has to wait. Okay. She is bored. What about this one? She is bored. She is bored or she is bored. Remember, you already need to erase one alphabet, the I alphabet, and then you change it with this sign. She's bored. She is bored, but that's too long. You can write it just like this. She is bored. Okay. Next, wow, this one. Again, a girl with a really big smile and she's dancing and moving a lot like that. And you can see that she's jumping. Ooh, what does she feel? Yes, she is excited. Okay, this one, she's excited. Oh, this one. Is he sick? Is he sick? Do you know the answer, the right answer? Yes or no? Yes, but we need the full answer, the long answer. You only need add some words after this. Yes, he is. Okay? Yes, he is. Because the question is like this. Is he sick? And then you answer like this. Yes, he is. This one. Is he tired? Yes, he is. Or no, he isn't. The answer, yes, he is. Or no, he isn't. Yes, good job. Yes, he is. Is he tired? Yes, he is. This one, the girl that has to wait. Is she excited? Is she excited? I don't think so. Okay. No, she is not. Or no, she isn't. This one is correct. These are correct. No, she is not. Or no, she isn't. Okay. One more time. No, she is not. Or no, she isn't. You only need to pick one. Okay. In the top or in the bottom. Number 4. Is she bored? Is she bored? No, she is not. Or no, she isn't. No, she is not. Or no, she isn't. But miss, can I just answer with a no and yes? I don't like the long answer. Yeah, in a daily conversation, maybe you can say that, but because right now we're learning about English, you have to put this for a long answer. No, she is not, or no, she isn't. So you already know how to make the questions. Is she bored? This one is the question, and then these are the answers. No, she is not, or no, she isn't. No, she is not, or no, she isn't. That's easy, right? Well, I think that's enough for today's lesson, but before that, I have a little game for you guys. Who gets the ice cream? I have this little maze, and there's an ice cream in the middle of the maze, and also 4 animals: crocodile, pig, giraffe, and elephant. I want to know what is the correct answer. The first one who get the correct answer, I will give you a smile. Okay? So you can put your answer in the comment for this video. And don't forget to write your name, your class, and also your answer. Okay, I think that's enough for this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye.